What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video, and in this one it's going to be a quick one. I'm going to be showing you what is a sales funnel and specifically how a sales funnel is vital to your success as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so as you can see here, hopefully you can see this on the whiteboard. We're going to be talking about the basics of a sales funnel, and I'm going to show you the whole process, okay, of how to convert a sale online. Okay, this is how you pretty much generate an income using affiliate marketing. You use the sales funnel, and you do this on your computer, of course, using tools like Builderall or ClickFunnels or Instapage and platforms like that. And basically what you do here is you pretty much start your sales funnel with an opt-in page. An opt-in page collects the visitors' email addresses, okay? And in order for us to get their email address, we're going to have to give something away for free, okay? So it could be a PDF, it could be a free video, but we have to make it an irresistible offer, all right? Something that our target audience really wants, okay? So that's the opt-in page. Once they agreed to exchange their email address, we're going to take them to the thank you page, okay? We're going to thank them. Usually this can be done with a video. We're going to explain to them, thank you for opting in, and to let them know to check their email address for them to receive their freebie, okay? So once we introduced ourselves, we explained what we're offering, we can actually have a button on our thank you page leading them to the offer, our main offer here. And in this case, this is where you're going to put your affiliate link, okay? And basically, from the next stage is the sales page. This gives them a chance to purchase the product that we're trying to promote, but in most cases, they will not purchase on the first attempt, okay? So it's going to take multiple attempts to convince someone to purchase online, right? And so that is why we use email marketing, okay? So we have different series of emails going out every single day that's going to explain a little bit more of how the product can benefit them, okay? And that's usually done through email marketing. That's where you're going to build the trust factor that's going to get someone to purchase through your link, okay? So this is basically just a quick video here on what a sales funnel is. It's pretty much a step-by-step process that takes someone from not knowing anything about you to building trust and building likability, and for them to eventually purchase a product, okay, that's going to really help them, okay? So hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to create more content like this, teaching you how to generate an income online. All right, my name is Rafael, and I will see you in the next video.